Hey, hello, it's Netta Monroe. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing y'all this Blue Devil Halloween makeup look. I got the name from my grandma. Shout outs to grandma. So first I'm starting out with my eyebrows per usual. The top of your face is pretty much going to be normal. And remember that you can choose any color, but I am doing blue, hence the blue hair, the blue backdrop, you get me? So I'm taking my Kylie Cosmetics concealer in the color Sassafras and just priming my lids with that. And then I am taking a light brown transition shade, a little bit darker than my skin. Then I'm taking Gonzo from my Urban Decay Electric palette right over top of that transition shade. And then I'm taking Gonzo mixed with Chaos and I'm putting that into my crease all over. Now I'm taking Revolt and I'm putting that all over my lid. And then I'm going to take Chaos by itself and put it like at the first, like the inner corner and then the outer corner of my eyes, creating like that halo effect. And now I'm going to go ahead and put on my foundation. The bottom of the face really doesn't matter. I don't even know why I buffed it out down there. But now I'm going to take my Kylie Cosmetics concealer in the color Sassafras and doing underneath my eyes and my nose. I'm not going to do any chin or anything because that does not matter. I'm just blending that out. And then, of course, I am going to set that with my translucent powder. So I'm just going to go ahead and contour my nose. I really didn't have to bring it all the way down, but, you know, it's kind of weird contouring your nose and only doing like part of it. And I'm brushing away that excess powder, doing my little wing liner. I'm using my favorite e.l.f. liquid liner. You know, I love this liner, $4. It does the job. I don't know. I don't think I've found any other liner better than like the Glide on this one. I love it. So now I'm just going to go ahead and spray my face before I go in with all of my, you know, the rest of the stuff around my eyes. So I'm doing my eyeliner. I also did my lash line with those blues, doing my mascara, because a lot of times if you spray your face with the setting spray after you do the mascara, you know, you kind of mess it up. Throwing on my eyelashes really quickly. And now I'm going to outline exactly where I want for the bottom of my face to start. So I'm just doing that, and you're not going to be able to see that line once I'm done. Now I am taking the Gonzo and Chaos from that electric palette and covering the bottom of my face. Like I said, you can choose whatever color you want to. So you can do pink, red, orange, yellow, gold, whatever you want to do. You can just make this your own. So now after I finish covering my face with that blue, I'm going to take some Spirit Gum and I'm just going to start brushing that along. And Spirit Gum dries pretty quickly, so you want to move fast. So I'm just doing a section, and then I am taking some blue cosmetic glitter and packing that right on top. So I created that blue base so that, like, just in case there are any holes or anything, no brown skin is going to show. So it's just going to look like a bunch of blue glitter and you can't see any brown skin showing through that. So I'm just going to continue the process, filling in any holes that may have been missed, and then moving on to the next point. Like I said, it dries really fast, so you really want to move quickly. And if you find that you're not moving fast enough, then what you're want to do is to just do smaller sections. So now I'm taking my foundation and I'm just cleaning up that line of glitter so that it's nice and crisp. And then we're going to start to create like the little drip effects. So I'm taking a brush and I'm just putting a whole lot of foundation on there so that once I hit my face, it kind of drips down. So I'm just creating drips wherever I see fit. And you can do more drips, you can do less drips. You're going to see that I end up, you know, adding a few. And then I'm going to end up blending out that line so that it's not so noticeable, because you want it to kind of blend in with your face. Because we want it to look like our face is like melting over top of the glitter. Kind of like the glitter is underneath our skin. And you know what I'm trying to say. So I liked it with more drippies. And like I said, you can do less drippies. You know, it's all in what you want to create. So I'm gonna add my highlight. I believe that the glitter kind of overpowered everything. You can see it, but it's not as prominent as it normally is. But I'm just putting my highlight in my normal places, letting my hair down. And y'all, I lost the footage of me really doing all of my poses. I don't know how it happened. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye.
Everything I do is lit.